So now let's see how we can easily create shapes with grids as reference. For that, I'm going to go around onto the top right, click on the hamburger icon right here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around onto the grid option, onto the format background option, and then I'm going to enable the grid of my choice. And let's say I'm going to work around with a square grid right here. Let me just zoom in. So once I do that, I can go around over here onto my pen tool right here, and I'm just going to go around and make sure that the ink to shape is turned on right here. Once I do that, I can simply take this grid line as a reference, click and drag this around, and what happens is that a shape, that is a square shape, is just made out. Similarly, I can go around right here, just use this grid as a guideline according to how you like the shape, and there you go. Similarly, you can go around over here and then make a circle over here as well. So I'm just going to go around right here, make a circle just like this, use the grid as a shape. And then what happens is that, okay, I was not able to do it correctly over here. Let me just go around over here and take this as an example. Let me just take this grid over here, and then you can see that there's a circle as well. Similarly, you can go around over here and then use different kind of grids for different type of shapes as well. Let's say, for example, for a triangle, I can go around over here and then let's just go around and go on to the settings. Let's just go to format background right here. And once I do that, you can see that there's different options, like there's diamond option right here. So let me select that out. So you got diamond grid. So now if I were to actually draw out a shape right here. So let me just go around right here, draw out a shape just like this. As you can see, you got that diamond shape right there. You want to create a triangle, then you just go around over here, then make up a straight line right here, and there you go. You got triangle over here as well. So using this grid as a guideline for making the shapes, and that makes it a lot more easier, as you can see right here. You can go around onto format background. You can also have triangular shapes right here. And then you can see that if I were to draw around, I can simply draw around this triangle right here, and there you go, you got a shape. And you can use them as a guideline, as you can see. And that is how you can use grids as reference to shapes inside of Microsoft Whiteboard. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.